everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making some gut lemon rice. First you're going to put your water into a pot, get some brown rice, and wash it. Another way is to soak the rice in water for 1 hour. You can cook your rice now, or you can just use a rice cooker. Make sure to cook it halfway through. You're going to dice an eggplant. Slice or dice your tomatoes. Your way is fine. Same for your red pepper. In a separate pot, add a spoonful of olive oil. Add your eggplant, your cut peppers, stir and make sure it cooks well. Lastly, add your tomatoes. Add your half-cooked rice into the pot. Add some vegetable broth. Add some pink salt or regular salt. Some garlic. Let it cook for about 10 more minutes. Done! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It would help a lot if you would press that big red subscribe button, and I'll see you guys into the next one. Bye!